I demonstrate to you how to make a snowball. The Bulgarian expression is snežna topka. Snežna topka, sняг being snow. Snežen is actually, I'm throwing the snežna topka at my cameraman. Snežen is the adjective. Snežna topka is a feminine expression, okay? And then you have snežen čovek, snowman, a masculine expression. Snežna burja, a blizzard, a feminine expression. Okay, throwing this at my cameraman. Okay, and I'm wishing you a very lovely winter and hope you find this useful. So sняг, snežen is the adjective. Thanks for watching. I've just come across this snowman. The Bulgarian expression is snežen čovek, and it links to the word for snow, to the Bulgarian word for snow. Snow being sняг in Bulgarian. This is a Slavic word, but it links to other words as well, to snow, to the English snow, to the French neige probably. Okay, the Russian word is sneg, the Bulgarian word is sняг, sorry. Okay, if you want the expression for snowman, you take the noun snow and you turn it into an adjective snežen. Snežen is a masculine adjective, okay? The feminine is snežna and the neuter is snežno. So if you want to talk about a snowman, it will be snežen čovek because čovek is a masculine word. But if you want to talk about snežna zima, snowy winter, zima is a feminine word, so you use the feminine adjective snežna zima. And then snežno vreme, okay? Snowy weather. I'll show you the snowman again, okay? And bye. Well, wishing you a very, very lovely day, a beautiful winter, and stay well. Again, snežna, snežen, snežno, snežen čovek. Stay well. Thanks for watching.